We back in the kitchen cooking some roasted chicken with fresh green seasonings and Old Bay. There go the fresh green seasonings. I cut that backbone out, that chicken. Got some Old Bay. About 2 heapings of that fresh green seasonings. Get that all in there. Get it all incorporated. Put as much as you want, as little as you like. What you do to the front, you got to do to the bite. Flip that over. Get that oven preheating at 375 degrees. That skin back and put that seasoning up under that skin. Put it on a pan. You can use a glass dish. Like I said, get up under that skin. 375 in the oven. 35 minutes later, take it out, baste it. Baste the entire chicken. No. Do not flip the chicken over. Do not flip it over. Put it back in the oven. 35 minutes later, roast it. Roasted, juicy, moist chicken. Juicy, flavorful chicken. Take it how you wanna. But if you like what you see, please subscribe.